Hi, welcome to GPuncher tutorial. Please pay attention to the dimension. This tutorial is about how to create a special tool out of this shape. First of all, we want to draw the shape, so keep in mind the dimensions that are shown. And I'm gonna delete all the text. Let's get rid of it, and then I'm gonna use the grouping delete to delete the group by geometry, and I'm gonna draw it. I'm gonna say construct circle, and I'm gonna type in the coordinates 5,5. And it's 1.5 the radius. I'm going to press the letter R, the shortcut on your keyboard for radius. There you go. It's a 3 inches diameter. You can see it here. Now I'm going to draw the slat. I know I'm going to draw a line from here. I know to the center of the slat is 1.75, 0. That's what it is. To the center of the slat, I'm going to use a tool called Parallel Lines. And it's going to be a quarter of an inch because the slat is half of an inch. So I'm going to click it and then on top and then click it and on the bottom. Now I'm going to proceed to draw the arc. I'm going to do a right click to find the center of the arc. Right click, left, right, left. Now I'm going to use a tool called Trim Extend to trim this line to the circle. This line to the circle. I don't need the line in the middle, so I'm going to delete it. And I gotta copy this 4 times. 1, 2, 3. I mean 3 more times to 90, 180, and 27. So I'm gonna use the group and I'm gonna say rotate copy. So I'm gonna put it in the middle. The center is gonna be in the middle of the feature. And I'm gonna say over here keep group so I can copy 4 times. I'm gonna say 90 and press the letter A as in angle to lock it up at 90. Then 180, press the letter A as in angle. 270, press the letter A as in angle. There we go. Now I have it. Now all I need is to connect the shape with arcs. I'm going to do a right click to find the center, left to accept it, right click to find the starting point, and left to accept it, then right click to find the end point, and then to accept it, and so on. Right, left, right, left, right, left. I don't need the circle in the middle, so I'm going to say delete geometry, and I delete it, and I got my shape. Now, how do I make this into a special tool? The easy way is the grouping, export to special tools. So I'm going to round it up. You follow instructions. GPuncher has instructions on the left bottom corner. It says grouping command is on select origin point. I'm going to select the middle of the shape with a left click. Now this box comes up for information, so I know it's a 3.5 station that I'm going to use, and any dimension there you can put. In this case, I'm going to say 4x4, and I'm going to call it 4x SP tool. Whatever name you want to put there is okay. As long as your identifier is symmetrical, yes. And I'm going to say I'm going to save it. I'm going to call it, I already have it here. I'm going to overwrite it. It's called 4/SPT. I'm going to say yes. Now I have it. It's just a file somewhere. So I'm going to tell GPuncher about the file, and I'm going to go to the tool inventory and click add tool. And we're going to handle it with the special tools. And I'm going to say browse to find it. And it's this one here. Remember the name. And I'm going to say add. And there we go. Now we have it. Now I'm going to go to the turret. Now I'm going to save it. Don't need to save it for the tutorial. I'm going to click on special tools. 4 slats is called. That's my tool. And I'm going to place it in a 3.5 station, the 219 at 0 degrees. Now I can use it. Now I have it in my turret. I can use it. This shape, remember the shape that we initiated with, is arcs, lines. It's not a real special tool. It's line and arcs. So I'm going to convert this with the property grouping properties to dotted lines because I don't need it. I'm going to place on top of it the real special tool. So for any special tool, you use the full hits command. Since it's already in the turret, I just click it, do a right click to find the center. It's asking for an angle. I'm going to say 0 and press letter A. And there we go. Now I have it and I'm ready to use it. That's how you make special tools, and you can learn a little bit about how to draw it, okay? Because I just did, and hopefully this is useful as a guide to do some drawing in GPuncher. But I do recommend you to draw the shape in another CAD that you know how to use, like AutoCAD or maybe SolidWorks, okay? And import it as a DXF. Anyway, thanks for attending this tutorial, and have a nice day. Any question, call Yo Torres, 209-740-4682. Thank you.